Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable a flash screen when there is audio or there's some audio notification on your Windows 11. So it's like I try to uh, warning you, try to be aware and give you some notification, a flash when there is a problem with the audio, for example, or you plug in some audio device on your Windows 11. So by enable this flash screen, you can notice there is some change made on your Windows 11. So in order to enable that, you can click start icon and go to the settings. Here you can click accessibility and choose under hearing. There is an audio option. Click it. And here we go. Under mono audio option, there is a flash my screen during audio notifications. So by default it's never, but you can try to enable flash the title bar of active window, or flash the active window, or flash the entire screen. So you can choose by your preferences. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click next button below. See you in the next video.